Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your HTC Desire 12S, at the first you have to go for the Play Store. Next, tap on search pool and type iOS launcher. Let's get the first application from Lutin Developer. Right now we can open. Accept permissions and then tap on the home button. Select iOS Launcher 14 and click as always. Then tap that we got it, and right now we are here with this launcher on our HTC Desire smartphone. We can of course edit the widgets right here, so we can add the batteries from the connected devices and from our smartphone, and of course we can try to edit the home icons. You can also enter this application and you can adjust a lot of things. For example, you can change the blur effects or the animation. You can also change the icon or just change the name of the icons. So just have fun and customize it like you want. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!